Tribunal Act. It's a quasi-tribunal, quasi-judicial tribunal empowered to make orders and decisions with respect to privacy complaints instead of the federal level. So essentially, rather than going through the conventional litigation route, you'll be going through the administrative route where you go through hearings through these tribunals, which are outside of the actual court system, but which are set up to be like a court system. It's not intended to respond to everyday complaints or concerns from the public. That's what the Privacy Commissioner's Office is for, but specifically to oversee matters if a matter is serious enough that it reaches that level where you have to act, where you have to actually you have to go through the review cycle because it affects a great number of people, or if there's a huge amount of highly sensitive data that's been breached. The tribunal has the power to levy fines outside the judicial system. But here are some of the issues that we've already spotted right away. The decision-making penalty awards are actually not given to the current Federal Privacy Commissioner's Office, which is really strange that they're going to give these powers to levy fines to a separate tribunal in a quasi-judicial hearing procedure or stream, and yet not at the commissioner's level. So that needs to be resolved. The Privacy Commissioner's Office was not happy when they found out they're not able to levy fines. That's one of the big problems with Bill C-11 as well, is that it seems to be a legislation that has not been given sufficient teeth in order to really empower the commissioner to make awards or fines or penalties that will really enforce this particular legislation. Another thing as well, and this goes beyond a comprehensive discussion, the appointees to this tribunal are going to be that could be subject to political influence or lack of impartiality, which is one of the criticisms. We don't know what qualifications they have. Right now, it seems as if they want to have at least 2 people in this tribunal, or 2 appointees at any given time, who have a deep background in privacy, but a third will come from industry. We don't know what it looks like. We don't know what industry it's going to be. Is it going to be from health? Is it going to be from aerospace? It could be from or another industry. We don't know what that's going to look like, and we don't know what the appointment process is really going to look like.